Hello everyone, this is Raj. Welcome to TechFerment. In the previous video, we have talked about how we can manage the APIs in Postman and how we can create a documentation with the help of Postman. And the second, how we have talked about like how we can push your code on GitHub and how we can deploy our backend logic with Hero Code. So now I'll talk about some security part, like how you can secure your web applications. So first one is like we have a helmet as a npm module, so you can use. So I'll just go to the helmet npm, or you can search helmet npm. So you can use this npm module for the security purpose. So we have a you can copy this code, and then here you can install this helmet. So I'll copy this one and I will install helmet in local machine. So this is a basically helmet helps you to secure your Express.js application by setting various HTTP headers, and this is one of the best module for security purpose. And this is the documentation like how you can use helmet. So I'll just copy this path and yeah, helmet install, and then we'll write const helmet, or here you can write this one, and then we need to use this one. Okay, so after here you can, okay, so this will give you the additional headers like whenever you are calling the API. So let's say I'm calling the API for get all projects, so I'll call the API. Here we have a get all projects API, so I'll call this API, and then we are getting this data, and here we have a lot of headers. So this all headers is defined by the helmet. And the next one is for the course, so you can use course. So course npm module, so this module, you can use this module for defining a course origin. So I'll just copy this one, I will install course. So how you can install, here we have an npm install, and then we have save. So with the help of this like as a middleware, you can enable the course. So like anyone can call the APIs from different domain. So we have installed the course, so I'll just import this one. Here we have a documentation, so I'll just const course, and then how we can use this thing. So I'll just copy and I will paste after helmet. Okay, so we have enabled the course, and similarly we have another module like you can use express limit. npm, so we have a express rate limit npm module, like we can define the limit for while calling the API. So I'll this module, I will install this module, and then we have a save, and then here we have a documentations like how you can use this one. So here we have a rate express limit, so I will import this one, and I will call this one logic, or will copy this entire logic and I will paste it here. So what is this rate limit express? Like we can secure our applications by DDoS attack, like there is a limit, like let's say 1 minute, in a minute 1 minute user can call the APIs maximum 5 times or 3 times in a minute, or maybe 2 minute, 2 APIs in a minute. Okay, so like one user can call 2 APIs in a minute. If in a minute user is calling 3 times or 4 times APIs, so you will be blocked. So I'll just go to the Postman, and then when I call the API, so I can get the data. Here we have a response in the body. When we call the API second time, we are getting the data, and the third time it will ask too many requests and please try again later. So like whenever we can define the properties like maximum users, like you can call 5 requests in a minute per user. Okay, so this is how we can secure our applications. There are a lot of modules like MongoDB sanitizer, or you can use XS XS npm. So yeah, this one xx npm clean. So you can use this module for security purpose, xx attacks. So you can install this one, and this will sanitize your queries. So here I will install this one, and here I will install, yeah, X module install, and then we have a documentation. So first we need to install this one access. So here we'll write const this one, and then here we have to use make sure com okay. So here we can define access. Okay, so similarly, like there are a lot of things like for the security purpose. I have covered few things. Like first one is uh, the helmet for additional security headers. Second one is for the cars. Third one is for the limit, express limit, and then we have a access. So there are a lot of things like you can secure our applications, and yeah, that's all from my end. So this is how we can create a REST APIs with the help of JavaScript, means the Node.js, Express, and we have used a lot of modules like .NET, Body Parser, Morgans, Firebase for adding a data into the cloud, Firestore, Helmet for the security, Course for the security, Rate Limit for the security, and then we have used MongoDB database, so we can define the MongoDB database with the help of, or we can connect the MongoDB database with the help of Mongoose. So that's all from my end. So thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed this particular course, and yeah, thank you. Bye. If you have any questions, you can ask your question in the comment section.